See.
Okay, and we're working on examples 2 and 3 on page 264, so make sure you're following along. And we're turning fractions into decimals, and so there's lots of ways to do it, and one of the standardized ways I'm going to do it is stop, drop, divide. So 7/20ths, stop, drop, divide, because you want a decimal, so let's give them a decimal. So 20 goes into 7, it doesn't. 20 goes into 70 3 times. And so subtract, we get 10, and here we go. And so it's 100, and it ends. So 7/20ths as a fraction equals 0.35 or 35/100ths as a decimal. And so your problem I want you to do in assessments, number 2, is 3/20th, turn that into a decimal. And example 3 in the book on page 264 is a mixed number, 5 3/4. And we're really only talking about the fraction, and this one is a really obvious one. So 3/4 is automatically 75/100ths. But let's work on the same way. So we're not going to forget the whole number, but we're going to leave it alone. So 3/4, stop, drop, divide, 3 here, because it works for every number. And so 4 goes into 3, it doesn't. 4 goes into 30 7 times is 28. Subtract, we get 20. And so 0.75. And so 5 3/4 is 5, don't forget your whole number, and 75/100ths as a decimal. And your assessments here, question you have to answer is 4 2/3 as a mixed number, right, as a decimal. Thank you. Bye-bye.